Hey everyone, if you're looking to kick your fitness routine into high gear, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm diving into the world of high-intensity cardio workouts and how they can transform your fitness journey. First things first, what exactly is high-intensity cardio? Well, it involves short bursts of all-out effort followed by rest or lower-intensity periods. This could be sprinting, jumping, or intense aerobic movements. The idea is to push your heart rate up, get your blood pumping, and break a serious sweat. Now, why should you consider integrating this into your workout routine? High-intensity cardio is a powerhouse when it comes to burning calories and fat. It's not just about losing weight, though. This type of training can significantly improve your cardiovascular health, increase your endurance, and even boost your metabolism long after you've finished your workout. But how do you get started? Here's a simple routine to get your heart rate up. Begin with a light jog or some high knees for about 2 minutes to warm up. Then, move into 20 seconds of all-out sprinting, followed by 40 seconds of walking or slow jogging. Repeat this cycle for about 15 minutes and trust me, you'll feel the burn. Remember, the key is intensity. Push yourself, but also listen to your body and take breaks as needed. It's not about going hard until you drop, it's about finding your limit and challenging it safely. And finally, consistency is crucial. Try incorporating high-intensity cardio sessions 2 to 3 times a week, but always allow for proper recovery. Your body needs time to repair and strengthen, so don't skip those rest days. Alright, that's it for today. Lace up those sneakers, get out there and unleash your energy. Remember, every day is a chance to improve, to push a little harder, and to be a little better than yesterday. Stay strong and keep moving forward.